This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by measuring. Pour 120 ml white glue into a bowl, then add 1/2 cup water and stir until smooth. Once done, sprinkle 1/4 teaspoon baking soda to firm the base. This controls pH and helps cross-linking. Make sure to have contact lens solution with boric acid at hand. This is the activator. If you want color or sparkle, add a few drops of food coloring and a pinch of glitter. Mix thoroughly so pigment disperses evenly before activation. You now activate. Add contact lens solution in 1/2 teaspoon increments while stirring. Watch the mixture start to clump and pull away from the bowl. Once you see cohesion, take it out and knead on a clean surface for 3 to 5 minutes. This develops elasticity and reduces tack. If it remains sticky, add 1 to 2 drops of water and knead. If too loose, dust 1/8 teaspoon baking soda and continue kneading. Keep testing by stretching. It should snap back. To finish, place your slime in an airtight container and let it rest for 1 to 2 hours so the texture stabilizes and moisture evens out. Once you play, store between uses to prevent drying. If it becomes too stiff, knead in 1 to 2 teaspoons of warm water gradually. If it stays sticky, add contact lens solution a few drops at a time while kneading. If anything smells odd or discolors, discard it. Safety first, and always wash hands after handling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.